The boAt Rockerz 450 Pro headphones are a game changer. Right out of the box, they impress with their sleek design and comfortable fit. The sound quality? Absolutely stunning. Crisp highs and deep bass that make every track come alive. The controls are intuitive and the battery life lasts all day, so you can enjoy your music without interruptions. Plus, the microphone delivers clear calls, making it perfect for work or chatting with friends. While they're lightweight, they might not be the most durable. Overall, if you're looking for great sound and comfort at an affordable price, these headphones are definitely worth considering.